Hello, welcome to fascinating world of techniques in field entomology. In this journey, we will dwell into methods and practices that allow us to explore the captivating life of insects within their natural habitats. Meet myself, SARNTHIRISA Anthony, HAFIZ, Evelyn, SITTARASU, and PRIENKKAA. What do you know about the techniques of field entomology? Field entomology is more than just observing insects. It's a dynamic blend of science, observations, and explorations. It enables us to unravel the secrets of insects' behavior, interactions, and ecological roles in a way that textbooks, laboratories alone cannot provide. Why field entomology techniques is matter? Because of the biodiversity understanding, ecosystem dynamic, pest management, conservation insights, and pollination studies. For example, investigating insects in their natural habitats is known as field entomology. Insects have an enormous impact on humans' life and play important roles in ecosystems. Understanding insects' behavior, interactions, ecological functions requires research on them in their natural environment.
The objectives of ecological field techniques are to gather insect specimens for identification, taxonomy, and population studies. Furthermore, we are able to attract and capture certain insects for behavioral and ecological research. We are also able to understand the relationship between insects and their habitats, and finally, to examine insects' anatomy, morphology, and adaptation of the insects.
As for the materials, we need sterile containers, chloroform, pins, polystyrene, sponge, nets, microscope, and also sample insects that are yet to be caught. As for methods, first of all, we have to soak the sponge into chloroform and insert the soaked sponge into our sterilized container. Collect insects using nets or traps. Sort collected specimens into sterilized container and preserve them using chloroform. Once specimens become unconscious, pin the insects to polystyrene using pins such as thumbnails or staplers. Classify the insects under microscope. Record relevant data such as taxonomy identification, locations, habitat, specimen collection technique. Observe on behavior, feeding habits, medical importance, and territorial behaviors.
Okay, hi, my name is HAFIZ. Today I would like to talk about the result of the Asia butterfly. Asia butterfly is the taxonomy of the Asia butterfly is a domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera, genus family Pieridae, genus Asia, and species are Monas. The medical importance has none. The life cycle is from egg, larva, adult, and pupa. Habitats is submarshes, coastal, dune, open field, and gardens. So let's to see a sun, my friend, sun example. The result is the enzyme WAP, which is a scientific name is the Evenady SP. The taxonomy identification, we can see a kingdom is Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class is Insecta, order Hymenoptera, superfamily is Invernioidea, and family Invernida. The life cycle is from a egg, larva, pupa, and also older male. This is a complete metamorphosis.
Got the hoverfly, no, it's look like a baby, but it's not. It's a fly. So these have a complete metamorphosis for their life cycle. Their family is a Spiridae. Their habitat is a decomposing, which they're living in the decomposing area near to the aquatic and garden. The medical importance, no harm to the human life. They act as a pollinator. The technique of collection using the net collections.
Okay, so let's do a result from my other friend, which is Evelyn. Evelyn SARNTHIRISA, which is a scientific name Branchipilma boehmei, which is the common name is a Mexican phylet tarantula. So the taxonomy identification is a domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, subphylum Cheliceratum, class Arcanida, order Araneae, family Pteraspocidae, genus Branchipilma. The species is a B. boehmei. The life cycle for the tarantula is from the egg set, spider line, and become the adults. Prienkkaaa has a common name which is mushroom scorpion, or we call a scientific name Mesobotus martensii. The taxonomy identification is from kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, subphylum Chelicerata, class Acanida, order Scorpions, family Buthidae, genus Mesobotus, and species is Mesobotus martensii. From the life cycle, it comes from the egg, larva, instar, and come to the adults. For the medical importance for the scorpion is medically significant due to the venoms, so which can pose a threat human health. Its sting can cause discomfort and potently most of the symptoms, especially in a sensitive individual who has allergies. For the habitats, Mesobotus martensii can be found in their habitats such as a forest, grassland, and rocky area, agricultural land, urban and suburban area such as garden, and also in most habitats such as a pond.
SUBRAMANIAM, I want to discuss about medical entomology final project that we have accomplished the field technique collection, that we collect the insect. Our member collected insect on their places. After collection the insect, we put on the freezer. Some are using 70% alcohol to kill the insect, and for the freezer we wrap the insect container in the insect and wrap the plastic and put in the freezer for a few minutes to kill the insect. After the killing process, we perform the molting process. For the molting process, they have a several process, which is the relaxing, pinning, setting, labeling, and finally we place in the insect box. The main purpose of studying the medical entomology. Entomology, we study about insect of what we related the medical. So medical, which insect can affect the human. So some of the insect can affect the human, transmitted the disease, viruses, parasite. Some of insect can give poisonous bite, and some of insect are harmless to the human. For the insect collection field, to study the more about in detail in the morphology, their structure, their features. So that's the main reason they are performing the field collection technique.
So, in summary, the techniques used in field entomology are important for understanding insects and their environment. These methods help us learn about insects' behaviors, ecosystems, and even help in conservation efforts. By studying insects in their natural habitats, we gain valuable insights that contribute to our broader knowledge of the natural world. So that's all from us. See you the next episodes of Techniques in Field Entomology. Bye.